Hello, investors. How are you today? So, this is your girl, Rob Maureen, and here today I am on a future tour of one of our fast-selling farmland estates, which is the Palm Fortune City, the Agro Smart City. Now, this estate, trust me, is one beautiful estate that people are keen into. Sincerely, you can see I came here with clients that have bought. I even have clients that are still buying because of the amazing features this estate promise. Okay, so all I needed to do is to stick with me in this video. I'm going to tell you everything you would benefit from keying into this Palm Fortune Agro Smart City. Now, look, let me just give you a tip. If you're that investor who want to own a farmland, who would want to own your own farmland all the way in diaspora without having to be actively involved in it, you understand, and make money from owning farmland in Nigeria, like a mechanized farmland, you need to watch this video. This video is definitely for you. So stay tuned there. Yes, this is Palm Fortune Agro Smart City. It is a big project, a huge project. This is sitting on over 3,000 hectares of land. Palm Fortune Agro Smart City is a massive project I'm going to be telling you a lot about. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Now, Palm Fortune City is located in Adota in Ogun State. Yes, close to the popular Canaan land and all that you know about in Ota. Now, if you can see this board is showing the entire massive project of the smart city. You can see how massive this project is. They have over 8 sectors. They have about 8 sectors here, of which I'll tell you each details of each and every one of them. Here they have the residential zone, agro boulevard zone, palm oil plantation, agro processing, greenhouse, animal husbandry, and commercial zone with resort home. So first of all is the oil palm plantation. Now in Palm Fortune City, there is a zone that is strictly for oil palm plantation. This is what I'll be discussing in details for you in the later parts of this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end and learn how you can benefit from this. We also have the agro processing. Okay, so this is where this is what they're going to. They have a zone that's strictly for processing oil palm produce, a big zone for that. So they have also the agro boulevard where they will store. This is just a zone just for storing, farm produce. They also have the residential space where you can build beautiful houses like this. They have the residential spots, land they are selling. Don't even think of it as a bush. I'm just showing you the video of this beautiful house to make you understand that in that bush you can build a mighty wonderful structure as this one you're seeing in this video. You see how beautiful it is? They're also selling and have residential plots in the Palm Fortune estate for sale. So if you want any of the zones, you can get a spot there. Yeah. So we also have what we call the greenhouse. The greenhouse is a space where they are only using to process only green vegetables. Then we have the resort center where you can use for resort, and also the commercial space for skyscrapers and commercial activities. Also there we are also looking at the animal husbandry where they're going to be dedicating that zone only for agricultural animals, your poultry, your pigs, your goats, your cattle, all those things. So they have the animal husbandry zone. So you can see that the Palm Fortune Agro Smart City is a big project that they're using about 7 years to actualize the entirety of the project. It is sitting on about 3,000 hectares of land, which is about 45,000 plots of land. We were moving around it, but we couldn't go around the whole land in one day because it's such a massive project. So now in this, I'm going to be telling you how you benefit from the oil palm plantation. Yes, that one is the one that is this video is all about right now. So just sit back, relax while I tell you about it. The oil plantation zone is called the Palm Ridge Phase 7. Palm Ridge Estate Phase 7, and the concept of this farmland is actually different from some other farmlands you're seeing around. The concept is this: the real estate company, which is Asset Rights, plants oil palm seedlings across their lands and sell it to you. Yes, they plant oil palm seedlings across their land and sell it to you for the price of 750,000 naira per plot. What they are doing for you is already to sell you a farmland that they have pre-planted with oil palm seedlings. And we all know that the oil palm business is a thriving and booming business in Nigeria. Now, this is what the real estate company is proposing. They plant oil palm on the land, sell you the land, and it becomes 100% yours. Once you buy the land from the company, it is 100% yours. Now, they will help you manage the land, cultivate the land, protect the land, watch the oil palm grow, get a market to buy the oil palm produce, and then share profits with you in the ratio of 60-40. So this is what they will do: sell you a land that they have already pre-planted, cultivate the land and look after the land for you, while the land is still increasing in value, helping you source for market to buy the oil palm produce, and then all they need to do is just share profit with you. So in this way, you can be in the comfort of your house anywhere in the world while your farmland is well maintained, well managed, and making money for you. Remember, I told you that the land will be 100% yours. Now, if at any point in time you decide that you want to take 100% management of your own farmland, you do not want the company to manage again for you, you will just tell them and they will let you manage your land, in where you will keep 100% of the profits to yourself. This is a very easy way to own a farmland and practice mechanized farming in Nigeria. Also, do your own bit by providing food for the nation, even in diasporans, by selling export produce to them. So this is an opportunity for you to own a farmland with as little as 750,000 naira per plot. You can buy a plot, an acre, an hectare, 10 hectares, as many as you want, and you still get the real estate company to manage the farmland for you. Remember, I told you it's strictly for oil palm plantation. Now, if you would like to have more information on this oil palm plantation, also subscribe and get your own plot, just call the number you are seeing on this video. The number you are seeing on this video, you can call it, you can send a WhatsApp message, and I'll provide you with more details. Remember, this is the most affordable farmland you see that is well maintained and well managed, as the company has over 10 years experience in oil plantation management, exports, and sales. Your girl Rauta Morin is always the one bringing you the best properties around town. So this is not one of those land that you just buy a farmland and leave it. No, it is well maintained, well organized, and well planned. As once you subscribe to the estate, you'll be added to a thriving community where you share ideas and you'll be given daily reports on what is happening on the farmland. So if you would like more information on this property, as I said, give a call to the number you are seeing on your screen. All right.